Gay!
Well, me and Mr. Williams have been talking on social media on and off for about 2 years now, up until May 28th of 2016.
What happened on May 28th of 2016?
Well, that was Memorial Day weekend, Your Honor. I had been drinking, and so was Mr. Williams. He contacted me on Facebook, asked me what I was doing. I told him I was just chilling. He asked me, could he come through?
That's a lie, Your Honor. She contacted me on Facebook.
It don't matter who contacted
He contacted me on Facebook and asked me what was I doing. I told him I was just chilling. He said he was in the area. I told him to come through. So I got in the car with him. We went to talking, and one thing led to another. We had sex.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Did you use protection?
No, Your Honor.
Of course they did.
Oh.
Nasty.
Is this a relationship that continued after that? Did you all say, well, this was nice. Let's go out on a date, maybe?
No,
at
Your
some
Honor.
point?
Terrible.
No, Your Honor.
What happened after that?
And so I reached out to Mr. Williams on Facebook to let him know that it was late. So he brushed me off and said he was gonna call me back, never called back.
That's what you get.
So you hadn't talked to him since the car?
Yes.
He said he was gonna call you right back and never called you back?
Never called me back,
Did
Your
you do
Honor.
that, Mr. Williams?
No, Your Honor. I did not call her
He
back.
lying, he lying.
She been blowing my phone up. I mean, blowing my phone off through the Facebook app because she never had my phone number. So then keep saying that her cycle didn't come on, things in that nature.
But
So
you had sex with her without protection, right?
everybody else did too, right?
Oh!
Everybody else like who? Who was everybody else?
Well, who is
Who
everybody
is everybody
I
else?
want to know, like Miss Jackson, who is everybody else?
She know who everybody else is.
She
Your
know.
Honor, after the fact of me telling him that my cycle was late, I contacted him again when I found out that I was actually pregnant. He blocked me on Facebook.
Yes, fake pages, and I don't allow disrespect. You calling me about something and you disrespecting me, that's a no-no. And you creating all these fake pages and all
Wait,
these...
hold on. You got rules now after you done drove up to a girl's house and let her get in the car and y'all have a conversation for 2 seconds and then you sleep with her without protection
Right.
and now you got standards?
Right. Facts. Facts.
Yeah, she was targeting me, reason being, she stated that she had sex with another dude right the next day behind me. So, and then once she
hot.
told me that, I said, why are you chasing me down about...
How did you find out she had sex with
She
another
told
man?
me.
I called him, yes, and I did tell him that I was with somebody else.
The day after?
Day after.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you didn't use protection?
And she.
No, Your Honor.
So did you tell this other man you were pregnant as well?
Goodness
Yes,
gracious.
Your Honor.
Did you tell this other man it could potentially be his baby as well?
No, Your Honor.
What?
Did you put this other man on child support?
No, Your
Oh.
Honor.
So why is it you're choosing Mr. Williams?
Exactly.
Because this man hasn't gotten anyone pregnant and doesn't have any kids.
We have to go by the
Wow,
facts.
really?
And the fact is, if it has not been proven that the other man is unable to father children, then you can't say for certain that it is Mr. Williams' baby.
Exactly.
To the other man about being pregnant. As a matter of fact, his family interacts with my daughter.
Really? Why?
Because I told the other man that he was the father when Mr. Williams didn't want to step up.
Ah.
So you put Mr.
What is she
Williams on
doing?
child support, but the other man's family helps you with the child?
Yes,
What
Your Honor.
What you up to?
Exactly.
I just went with whoever was going to stand up, Your Honor.
No, you went with both. You didn't go with one or the other.
Basically.
You got Mr. Williams on the hook talking about child support for him. Did you go down to the child support office?
Yes, I
and
did.
gave him his name?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Wow. She bogus.
So you playing two sides
Exactly.
of this particular field.
Balancing.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so have you been responsible for child support all the time?
Like I was the only name that was on the sheet.
So Miss Jackson, when you went to the child support office, why is it you only put Mr. Williams' name on the paperwork? If you knew, in fact, this other man was a possibility and his family was involved with the child, why not also give the child support office the other man's name?
Because, Your Honor, I didn't tell the other family about Mr. Williams.
So wait, you are getting Mr. Williams in a legal situation because of your inability to own your own mistakes?
Man up.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's not fair. See, this these are the issues as a young woman you have to understand that perpetuates the cycle of paternity issues. Right?
Right.
Because I see too often men come in this courtroom saying, well, why she named me? It's not that they are not equally as at fault in the situation for having unprotected sex, but as the woman, you know that if you had sex with more than one man in a window of conception, you have at least the moral obligation to be truthful with the child support office about that.
Thank you. Preach.
So as you stand here as plaintiff saying he's a no good for nothing man, you have been a no good woman.
Preach. Preach.
I'm ready for the results.
Result time. Result time.
It comes to 9-month-old Amani Jackson. It has been determined by this court. Mr. Williams, you are the father.
Wow.
I told you. I told you. I told you.
Hold on. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to figure out where they do that at. What part of the game is this? What? First of all, okay. Let me rewind real quick. Y'all met off social media, which, you know what I'm saying, nowadays is common. Ain't nothing wrong with that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not finna knock nobody for being on social media. But you tell me, he hits you up out the blue on a regular day. He comes through. Y'all meet up in the car. Y'all end up getting down on the first date through Facebook in the car, and you get pregnant. Not pregnant, pregnant. Are you serious right now? Now, this ain't got nothing to do with the men. Men do, hey, you know what I'm saying? He knew what he was on. She knew what he was on. I'm talking about the female women. That's what y'all on? The audacity. Y'all are sloppy, dusty. I am disgusted with your actions. You don't even have enough respect to be like, hey, man, at least take me to a hotel. You get down in the car on the first date with a man from Facebook?
How, Sway?
Y'all don't even go to dinner first? You let him hit just off Facebook? How dare you? What? You mean to tell me y'all got down in the car for the first time and you get pregnant? Now, what kind of, first of all, y'all ain't no, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't a small couple. You not 5 foot and he not 5'9", you know what I'm saying? Y'all, he look like he about 6'2". You look like you about what, 5'7", you know what I'm saying? Probably hitting 200 pounds, you know what I'm saying? So I know y'all wasn't in no, I hope y'all wasn't in no small car. Hopefully it wasn't a Ford Focus. Lord, please tell me you didn't get pregnant in a Ford Focus. Please. A Toyota Prius? Please tell me it wasn't a Toyota.
No, God, please, no, no.
Hopefully y'all was in a truck, a Cadillac, a Ford, or something, a F-150. You got pregnant in a Ford Focus on the first day of meeting him on Facebook? How dare you? And then after that, you didn't even have the man's phone number. You didn't get his number. You didn't get the man's phone number. You got pregnant and had to reach him on Facebook. You did. That's what y'all on now? This is what y'all on? And you wonder why niggas just treat you like crap. You don't even have the respect for yourself. You couldn't even, y'all didn't go to dinner. He didn't earn nothing. I see why he avoided you. You had to create fake pages in order to reach him. And I'll block you too.
Yep.
You was a easy one night stand. Gosh. I mean, don't get me wrong. I had some easy one night stands in my day, but that was like effortless. That was nothing. You had the difficulty on novice.
Easy.
You didn't have it on superstar, hard. No, you had it on novice. A child can win this game. A child. Look, niggas, he good. I'm not getting on him. He did what he was supposed to do. He came, he conquered, you know what I'm saying? He left.
I came, I saw, I conquered.
So, and then the next day, she had sex again, unprotected. And then you had, that's another, I forgot. Y'all didn't even use protection. You don't even know this man. You've been talking to him on Facebook. I don't care if y'all been talking for 5 years on Facebook. You don't know him. And you had unprotected sex resulting in a baby. And y'all only did it one time. First of all, it only takes one time. It takes half a time. True. And the game she playing with the child support, she taking him to child support, you know what I'm saying? But then she got the other individual thinking that it's his baby or whatever. She playing games and everything. She just all over the place. What they used to say, get your life.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
Get your life. She is all, and you know what? It's women out here that's doing the same thing. They may not be in a paternity issue or nothing like that, but y'all out here loose like boots. Y'all out here loose doing stuff like that and think there ain't gonna be no consequence. Yeah, it might have not been no consequence last night or the last time, but if you keep doing stuff like this, you gonna look foolish just like this. It's a gazillion women out here in the same predicament or worse. You'd be surprised how many women out here don't know who their baby daddy is, but they too embarrassed to go get a paternity test and tell the individuals because everybody think they angels. Even the most innocent ones you think ain't out here, you know what I'm saying, slanging that thing is out here. True. You're hot. It's a lot of hot cats out here. Real talk. Get your, like, real talk, women, you know what? I'm done.
She got her hands all in my hair, legs all in the air, putting her hands all in my bed. Bend it over, do what I said. Scratches all on my back, pulling out her tracks.